are now at day number 4, where we are testing every single strategy at Pocket Option Auto Trader. And today we are going to do some live trading with strategy number 4, EMA Cross 721. So, if you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose an update video just like this one. Also, if you want to use this binary option robot for yourself, it's completely for free. It's for Google Play Store, you find link below the video, and it's for Google Chrome, so that is for desktop. So even if you are at the beach, you can use the one for Google Play Store, and you can have your cell phone and you can use this there, and it basically is the same like you see here. Actually, the one for Google Play Store is a little better. It's a newer version. I have not updated this one. The strategy is more or less the same, but it's a one upgrade more. So if you want the cell phone version, make sure you get that one. So let's start up and let's see how we do with the strategy number 4. So we have here now EMA Cross 721 at a cross. It's a 5-second close. We take $100 trades. We will use classic. We use 2.2 multiplier. If we get a trade that go wrong, we have the opposite trade after, and our target is $500. So let's start up and let's see. So this one is just a little more complex than the strategies you're using till now, but let's see. The first trade looks to be a clear winner. Amazing, we have $92 from the first trade. Now he's looking for a new one, and we got one more super clear winner. So we have 2 wins and 100% win rate till now, and another very clear winner looks like. Yes, till now we are doing amazing. So 3 wins, 100% win rate. Let's see if we can keep this up. Actually, I need to admit I never tried this strategy before on this timeline, so it's cool to see. There looks like you get our first loss. Now he do the opposite, and that was not good. Let's see, now he do a sell. That was good. We got a winner there, I think. Oh no, last second he did go shoot up. That did go in 0. He will then have a cooldown before he continue. Then we have a time to drink some coffee. Let's see what he will go for. And after now, he will not continue with this opposite more. He will now look for a completely new trade. Let's see, hope we go for a sell trade now. I think now will be a very good time. I would have done at least. Let's see. Of course, the cross need to happen. That's 7 and 21 EMA. So, like I said, make sure you subscribe and also like this video. And if you have any question, put them below the video. I'll reply to every single question I get. So now let's see. He's there taking a sell trade, and we lost that one also. We started amazingly, but now it's yeah, there we got it. Cool. And we even reached our target. So we can see here now, we started amazingly. We got 3 winners in a row, and then you see we got 4 losses in a row, and we ended up with a win in the end. So this strategy might be better than we think, because of course, as I did choose here the opposite side, because I did not know this strategy that well. And here, if I had taken same direction, we would have won, for example, the second trade here, and things would look very different, and probably the win rate will be much better. So for this strategy, I think it's a little mispresented, the 50%, because in reality this happened with martingale. So these losses here is not valid in the way of the strategy, we can say. So but let's see. By the way, we ended with 50. We made our profit. We made 562. But strategy wise, this one did looks amazing. Like I said, we got very clear winners here, and this one in the end ended up to be a win of. So yeah, but that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy. If you like this type of videos also, check out the video that is there now. It's the video from yesterday. And also make sure you see the other videos where we test all the strategies. So till now we have 3 other we have tested on this channel. So with that, have an amazing day. And I appreciate you, the ones that are seeing so far. If you have seen so far in the video, make a comment below. I want to know who you are. Have an amazing day.